Problem number 7 is a substitution problem. So let's quickly review the steps for substitution. Step 1 is to find a variable that's alone. Step 2 is to take what that variable equals and plug it in to the other equation. Step 3 is solve. Step 4, we're going to plug in the answer we've gotten so that we can find the second half of our answer. And then finally, step 5, we're going to write our answer as an ordered pair x, y. So let's take a look at 7a. 7a gives us two equations. It's a system of equations. Y equals x plus 4, and 3x minus 2y equals negative 7. So the first thing we're going to look for is the variable that's alone. And remember, when we say alone, we mean just that letter and then equal sign. So our lonely variable here is this y, because it just says y equals. What you want to do is circle the other half of the equation, find the y in the other equation, and plug this x plus 4 in for that y. So we're going to have 3x minus 2, and instead of times y, we're going to have times x plus 4 equals negative 7. Now, notice I put my x plus 4 in parentheses, and that's a really important step. Anytime there's something in front of the letter you're plugging into, if there's a 2 here or even just a minus here, go ahead, put parentheses around what you're plugging in. And then we're going to distribute here. So 3x will stay the same. Negative 2 times x gives me minus 2x. Negative 2 times 4 gives me negative 8 equals negative 7. Now let's combine these like terms here. 3x minus 2x is 1x. X minus 8 equals negative 7. And then simply do plus 8 on both sides. And we end up with x equals 1. So we now have half of our solution. We know what x is. We still need to know what y is though. So we're going to pick either one of the top equations. I'm going to pick the first one, y equals x plus 4. Now we're going to plug in this. So plug in x equals 1. Turns into y equals 1 plus 4. Now we just have our y is already alone, so just simplify the right hand side to a 5, and we've got our answer. X equals 1, y equals 5. Write it as an ordered pair, and remember your x always comes first.